Welcome to my channel and welcome back, subscribers. This is Gifty Paradise and I am Gifty, the gift to your hair. I am a Minneapolis, Minnesota hairstylist. Actually, I am a Minneapolis, Minnesota hair extensions expert. I am here to deliver the look that you envision. And in this tutorial today, we're going to be talking about lace frontal wig placement and how to cut your lace. The main thing you're going to learn out of this video is how to cut your lace and the placement of where a lace frontal should be. So in the beginning, I'm starting off just pushing my client's edges back. I'm using regular Eco Styling Gel. Use the baby hair comb and just smooth all her edges back, and then I blow dry it on cool setting. This is the wig that we're going to be working with today. My client did provide this hair. This hair is HD lace. Look how bomb that looks, by the way. The lace is still on. I done little to no plucking. Like, this was beautiful, right? I did go in and pluck this some more to make it look more natural. Right now we're doing the placement. With placing the wig on your head, you really want to measure it to fit your own head size. You want to pull it at least 1 inch forward in front of your hairline and then lay it down either using adhesive, glue, holding spray, the lace band method. You can use different method, but you want to place the lace frontal at least 1 inch in front of your hairline. Like, when I say that, is because the glue shouldn't really be going on your hair necessarily. The glue should be going on your skin, like your skin. So when you put the frontal placement at least 1 inch in front of your hairline, one, you're not touching your hairline to damage it. Two, you're creating at least a barrier from your hairline to your actual forehead, which is great for lace front. And if you have a big forehead, even better, you have more space to work with. So once I have placed the lace frontal on, I then use my handy dandy Gifty lace melting band. Every single video you're going to see me use this Gifty lace melting band because it is so crucial. The band is what is going to take the pressure from the band to the lace to the skin. It's adding pressure so that everything just melts in together and it feels tight, it feels secure, and it feels like it's on. So this whole process, I am having my client hold the two sides to make sure that the placement of the frontal stays in that position that I currently placed it in, and I don't want it to move at all. Now moving on, after the placement of the lace frontal, we're just going to go into styling, cutting of the hair, and just, making it look good. Then I'm going to talk all about the cutting of the lace. All right, beautiful people? the part you've been waiting for. When it comes to cutting the lace, if you are a professional and if you're doing this on somebody else's head, like what I'm doing on a client's head, the razor, it is your best friend. And the reason why I say the razor is because the razor is going to give you that extremely jaggedy ends, and you have full function to create a customized hairline compared to using a scissors. A scissors is a lot easier and safer if you're doing your own hair, but if you can visually see somebody else's head and you're cutting it, use the razor. And I always start on one end and work my way through a full side. So I'll begin like in the middle and I'll work on the right side first. I'm gonna take my left hand holding up the lace while I take my right hand with the razor inside, and then I'm gonna go slowly down from the front to the end of the ear. When I say the front, is like the crown of your head, so like that bridge of the middle part to one half of the head, which is going to be ending to the ear. I'm going to hold the lace in my opposite hand where the razor is not in, which is my left hand. Then I'm going to take the razor and just go down slowly until I get to the end of the ear. Did you guys get that? I'm going to break it down one more time and just slow it down for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our razor in our right hand, the hand that you are more dominant in. Using the opposite hand, you then want to hold the lace and you want to pull it away because it's going to create like this friction, and it's going to act like, you know, when you're pulling something away and you're cutting it, it makes it easier for you to cut and slide right through. So you really, oh yeah, she loved, oh yeah, she was so impressed. She was like, girl, this is fire. But basically, again, cutting the lace, same thing. You want to start one end, completely get done, and work on the opposite side. I like to begin by going underneath the lace first. Then I'm going to take my razor and just cut a line, removing any of the lace that is not glued to the hair, like to the forehead or to the hairline. I'm literally cutting off all the excess lace that is not glued down. So you want to get as close to the skin as possible, and you want to do this slowly. You want to pull with your opposite hand to create the friction while using your right hand to pull to cut the lace with the razor in a jagged motion. This is my video on how to cut your lace and also about frontal placement. If you have enjoyed this video, please do like, comment, and share. Also subscribe to this channel. I have so much videos for you guys coming out, so I will love the support, and I'm always going to be here for you. So please comment down any video suggestions that you have. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe again. Please watch this over and over so you can learn how to properly cut off a lace frontal. You know, you can use this method for a lace closure as well, but specifically a lace frontal. I will see you beautiful people next time. Bye.